In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect GameCube controller to Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use your GameCube controller on any Mac device that you have. So even though you can use your GameCube controller on a PC, Mac, and so on, you will need additional software, so you cannot simply plug and play. So the main thing that you will need is going to be a GameCube controller adapter for PC. This will read the inputs from the GameCube controller and translate them into something that a PC can understand. So you can look for any of these adapters on places like Amazon. The one that I would recommend is the Mayflash GameCube controller adapter. As you can see, it has almost 10,000 reviews on Amazon alone, and it seems to be by far the most reliable one. So you will plug your GameCube controllers into the Mayflash adapter, and by using the USB cable provided, you can plug them into your Mac. It is simple, reliable, it offers 4 ports. As you can see, it is available for $18.99. Of course, other adapters exist and you can choose whichever one you prefer, but this is going to be my recommendation for this video. With this done, you usually don't need anything else, so I would recommend plugging them in and seeing if they are detected and the inputs are being read. If the inputs are not working, then you can download additional drivers by using something like Zadig. So look for Zadig on Google, and this will help you install the necessary drivers because often they might not be bundled as soon as you connect them into your PC. Now, you can open any sort of launcher, primarily Steam, and if you go into the settings for Steam, assuming that you are going to be playing something through here, you should find your controller when you go to the controller category. Now, you will see mine labeled as X input because I am using a generic controller to demonstrate this, but for you, it should say generic controller. I'm using an Xbox One, so it tells me it is an X input controller. Then you just have to make sure that it is being detected. You can test the device inputs, and if everything works flawlessly, as soon as you run a game through Steam, it is going to be used for the inputs. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect GameCube controller to Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.